Then my beloved mothers and sisters, another very interesting point is the hope in the mercy of Allah. Like I said earlier, personally, we should be having hope in the mercy of Allah. We are human, we are mu'mineen, believers. We have faith. The fact that we are human, we sometimes err, we make mistakes, we sin sometimes, but we turn back to Allah. That's the difference between a believer and a non-believer. So I have hope in the mercy of Allah that when I die, I'm going to Jannatul Firdaus by the mercy of Allah, by His mercy, not necessarily by my deeds. My deeds are nothing. Your deeds are nothing. Those are only an attempt to please Allah. The actual pleasure of Allah is what's going to take you into Jannah. So if you have lost a loved one, have hope that they have gone to Jannah. Have hope that you are going to meet them very, very soon. Did you know that for them, time passes so fast? But for us who are alive, time takes long to pass. Quick example is that of two people sleeping on a bed. One has dozed off and the other one is tossing and turning and tossing and turning. Before you know it, it's already 6 o'clock in the morning, 5 o'clock in the morning, the alarm rings, the one gets up, the other one is like, I haven't slept. This one says, oh, to me it felt like 2 minutes. I'm already up. And the other one says, what do you mean 2 minutes? It's been 20 long hours. Why? Because one was awake, one was asleep. The same example happens when someone passes away. You're on earth, time takes long to pass. You've passed away, it's a few moments and you're going to be on the day of Qiyamah. Few moments. So don't worry. They're in a good place. Make dua for them. Seek forgiveness for them. Do a charity perhaps on their behalf. Leave it in the hands of Allah. Don't stress beyond that point too much. Because it's not in your hands beyond that point. You can do whatever you can do. The rest of it, have hope in the mercy of Allah. Allah will grant you. Allah will open your doors for you. Keep going. And Allah Almighty will open door after door. You'll see the goodness.